let's understand how sales should be evaluated or sales should be analyzed. Look at here, you have sales of a particular company and that is bifurcated into domestic and exports. And in this case, there is no export sale, but you have the domestic sales information from 2012 to 2016. So what do you understand here is, in 2012, they were reporting good sales. Let's assume it is something like 92.43 million. Okay, but in 13, the sales have come down sharply to 59.79. So if I calculate the percentage rise, okay, in 2012, when compared with 11, it was 15.18. Let's not get into that. But in 2013, the percentage is something like this. I mean, see, this is my gross sales, okay. 92.43 and 59.79 is gross sales. So we have to subtract the excise duty. So net sales is 83.79 and 52.99. From 83.79, the fall is to 52.99, and when that fall was measured as a percentage, it works out to 36.76% negative. It means sales have fallen by 36.76, or something seriously have happened in this company at this point. So that's why there is a big fall. And let's see what happened in 2014. In 2014, their gross sales was 20.57, excise duty 2.4, so net sales was 18.17. So from 52.99, it had again fallen drastically to 18.17, and when that fall is measured as a percentage, it worked out to 65.71%. And in 2015, there is a hope because the gross sales is increasing from 20 to 29 and excise duty so much, so the net sales is 18 to 25.7. so now look at here, there is a positive. I mean, in these 2 years it was a negative growth, whereas this is a positive growth of 41.42. so we have to look into like what went wrong with this company in this 2 years period, why they had suffered so much, why their sales have come down very drastically. Okay, assuming this is a manufacturing unit, this fall in sales will be disastrous, because manufacturing unit will have lot of fixed cost and they will be able to meet their fixed cost only by having more sales. So if there is a less sale, then it means lesser contribution, then they will suffer. Okay, so here in 2015 there is a sign of recovery, but in 2016 they are saying that they'll be able to make a sales of 97.76. okay, it means they are expecting net sales of 85.68 after providing for excess duty, 85.68. it means they are expecting a growth of 233.44%. to 33.44%. So that got to be validated. Is it possible? Yes, in the past they have achieved so much. In the past, in 2012 they have made a sales of 83.79, but in 2015 it is only 29, the net is only 25. Whether they'll be able to have this big jump, so that got to be understood. So when a banker evaluates sale, they try to understand what was the trend. Here they got a message that trend is not that good. In the past 2 years they have suffered a lot. Then in 2015 they have revived back. In 2016 they are trying to build a very ambitious future. Whether that future is actually possible, that got to be measured. Okay, so this can be one angle on sales analysis.